I have been most excited about trying Serbian wines. Outside of that, I think they're so unknown that any Canadian would enjoy this. It's very, very similar to most Ontario wines with its freshness, their flavors. I think it mixes very well with Ontario meals and patios. The Prokuputs that I just tried, fantastic patio wine.
In a year when we are celebrating 85 years of diplomatic relations between Serbia and Canada, in a year when we re-established direct flight between Belgrade and Toronto, we succeed to organize an evening dedicated to the Serbian wines and rakias with a goal to put as much as we can Serbian brands and Serbian premium brands on Canadian market.
But I know a couple of Serbian families that would be clamoring for this. And I also have some restaurateurs that I told them I was coming to this event, and they were actually quite jealous because they wanted to be able to try and see the wine because they've had a couple and they love them, but it's so hard to get their hands on it, so they're not able to. So I've been sending them pictures and group chats with my tasting notes.
So I'm sure the Serbian wines, their improvement in the last 10 years with the vineyards and vinobel, they are fantastic. They improved so much that whole Europe now is discovering something which was literally hidden for so many years, and they have 2,000 years of the history in their winemaking.
All of them. Yep, and we're going to work hard to bring them all to LCBO, that's for sure.